first sentence.
Yes. Yes.
The second proposition is to talk about Gaza as I don't know exactly the word, but a sky open jail and not a concentration camp from children. I think if we want to give impact to our declaration. The third was really a form, just to make short, stronger. The third paragraph, we demand the following paragraph, and not we also demand, to suppress. And to suppress the last part of the sentence, especially against women and children, because we are also caring for male civilians' lives. Not the following paragraph, but the paragraph beginning by in general. We propose to suppress the first sentence and to begin by we don't believe, because what is said in the first sentence is in a way repeated or developed in the following. We don't believe that women are more peaceful than women, and it is more strong, I think, to suppress the first sentence of the the difficulty to solve the question of integrating remarks. All the remarks will be taken, and the democratic process, which is really difficult, will continue. So, Gülser, you must not come with such a hard judgment, because it is not easy, and because Nawal is tired. She is waiting for us in the room, so the concluding session will not take place here, but around her in the restaurant. But I would like to say some words. Quickly. You know that it is a beautiful event. It was a beautiful event. It is not finished, but there is a weight from everybody that it is not an ordinary event, and that we go to another conference. And no, we have to respect the title of our conference, Alternatives, Feminist Alternatives. And I think that the master word that we have in mind is building alternatives. And that means the continuity of our work. I want just to remind that if there was not Skopje, there would not be Cairo. So we have to think of the next step, and to consider that this Cairo conference is the second step of a process that we are building together first. The second thing is that we have to make our voices heard. And the way we will be by sending our declarations everywhere as we decided to do it. The best possible declarations and the more consensual declaration between us. The third thing is that we have to be audacious and strong, and to address our governments, to uncover the political responsibilities, and to go on with our common political fight. But we have also to address the democratic movement, because the weakness of the democratic movement worldwide is preventing us to move. I am convinced, and we are convinced in European Feminist Initiative, that the feminist movement is a leading force in this democratic movement, must be a leading force. If not, nothing will happen. Invest the democratic movement, no to cultural relativism, no to social tolerance, no to silence about violence against women. As fourth point, we have to work to create the requested balance of power, feminist balance of power. That means that we have to go on with our work in our associations to try to work to invest the power, the power spheres of decision with not women but with feminists. First, to bring our feminist perspectives everywhere, but also, and it was clear, we have to contribute in this democratic movement, with the democratic movement, to promote what we call the feminist popular education, because we have to make the things, the mentality changing. Fourth, we have absolutely to keep the link. That was beautiful here, wonderful demonstration here. The link between the academic approach, the studies, the feminist analysis, and the activist women and feminist activists. It is absolutely a major dimension of our success. And finally, I think that if we consider that we are only on the step in a process, we have to agree on the next one. And Maria was talking about a strategic conference. Somebody was telling yesterday that South American women are not here. Why? Asian women are not here. Why? But the money issue came a lot here. We organized this conference with no means, and that's why also this conference is so beautiful, because the majority of you has invest with own participation. So, but we are not satisfied with this. And we must fundraise that the poor women, that the women from Asia, from everywhere, that wanted to come here, they couldn't because they had no money, and they couldn't because we couldn't give them any penny. You know, so it is the situation. So let us fix, and I make a call for proposals here. The next step. Let us propose a new conference, a strategic conference with us and more wider participants into, let us say, 2012. And please come with a proposition of places, of towns, of venue, and they will be absolutely welcome. The organization committee of this conference will, with our little means, we will go on with finish this process. And I ask you something, please, to join Gunnar wish. Keep us informed about what you are doing with the declarations, with the statements that we have, and with your proposition for the following step. Thank you very much.